is Rebecca Tubong Banwa. Ako po nagmamanage and owned by the McNester Food Products. 2003, I started with the initial capital of 7,000 pesos. It is in the kitchen, and 2010, we transferred in this building dahil bininta ito. This is an old building. So, medyo lumaki siya, medyo nag-expand kami. Okay. During the first year of business, I tried to develop one product each month. Since na yung Gimaras is most popular in manga, I tried to develop more mango-based product. At ang pinakamalaking na percentage na pinupuntahan ng manga is the dried mango. Our standard for dried mango as a low sugar, sulfite-free. Yung kinukuha natin sa mangga is yung dalawang mukha ng mangga na ginagamit natin for dried mango. And the rest na nandito sa buto na naiwan is ginagamit natin siya for the byproduct like mango ketchup, mango sauce, mango concentrate, mango calamansi concentrate, mango jams, and others. So that's why marami tayo ng mango-based product. And yung mangga namin is zero waste. Yung lahat na buto ng mangga, binibili ng National Mango Research para sa nursery. Yung mga balat, pumupunta sila sa yung ginagawa natin na animal feed, like may manok kami, may mga ducks, baka, para na ibigay doon yung mga balat. And at the same time, ang iba, ginagamit natin for composting. So, that's why sa mango, zero waste tayo. What makes inspired me also na kailangan i-expand ituloy yung business dahil na marami tayong buhay na binubuhay. We create an employment, nakatulong tayo sa community, we conduct also as our feeding program sa mga bata. We accept tour group, then tinuturoan namin sila kung paano maggawa ng mga basic like jam and others like how to make pasta using our mango sauce and how to wrap polvoron, how to mold the polvoron para na magka-idea sila, and is one way to teach them to become an entrepreneur also.